Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Franklin from the Money Code Academy. On today's video, I just want to quickly share with you 7 lies you believed about making money online. Now, I'm aware that you must have seen lots and lots of videos doing the rounds online, and many people are coming to you and telling you that, oh, ever since they started this online business, their lives have changed and now they are living the life of their dreams and all that stuff. And I get it. Some of them are probably telling you the truth and some of them are not telling you the truth, while the others are actually telling the truth, but they are only telling you what you want to hear. There are lots of other things that they are not saying. And so on today's video, I just want to quickly talk about this. So maybe you are here today and you have this dream of earning online. Hear me, that dream is possible, but you must know the truth, because only when you know the truth, that way you will not be disappointed when things begin to go in a way that you didn't expect it to go. This is something that is very, very important. You get the point now. So the first lies that many have come to believe about making money online is that making money online comes without work. And I don't blame you. I don't blame people who believe that, because the people out there who are coming to us on the YouTube ads and all that. I remember seeing one of the videos recently, and the guy said, I just bought this powerful car, and that's because I recently learned how to earn online, something like that. They make it look as though it is one easy thing, but trust me, it is a possible journey, it is a possible feat, but it is not an easy one. It's not something that will fall in your laps. You've got to understand this. Making money online does not come without work. You've got to get this straight. It does not come without work. It's a lot of work. A lot of times you've got to understand you will even need to put the work up front. Make no mistakes about this. You will put the work up front. And so when you have been dedicated for a period of 6 months, period of 1 year, 2 years, putting in the work, before you know it, the business begin to move in the direction you want it to go. But then it will not come without work. So if you're listening to me, you've been thinking when you start an online business or when you start earning online, the money will just start falling on your laps. Hear me, it may not happen that way. I'm telling you, it won't happen that way. That's the truth. You've got to put in the work. You've got to go into this with a mindset that I am ready to work. Yeah. Of course, there is an advantage with this. If you are able to put in the work, over time, you begin to enjoy the labor of the previous years. But then you must put in the work. Now, the second lie that many have been made to believe about making money online is that they feel that making money online happens overnight. I mean, you start online business today, the next day money start pouring in. It's not going to happen. Just forget it. It's not going to happen. If you think you're going to make money overnight, forget it's not going to happen. You will spend so many nights working on your laptop. That's the truth. You will spend so many nights building your online profile, building your online following. Go and ask anyone who has made money online. They will tell you what I'm telling you. That's the truth. That's the truth. It's not going to happen overnight. So if you're listening to me today and you think that you will just start earning overnight, come on, you've got to think again. It's not going to happen overnight, but it happens over time. That's the difference. You want to make money online? It don't happen overnight, but it will happen over time. And if you are patient enough, I'm telling you, you'll be the one to enjoy it at the end of the day. Let me tell you something. Making money online is a journey. It's a journey. It's something that you have to build. You have to spend the early days building. Depending on whatever you want to do, you have to build. You have to build the following. If you are able to spend the first 2 years building, I'm telling you, you will definitely be a success. You will make a success out of it. I'm telling you, that's just the truth. But that first 2 years is so important. Of course, there are some people who succeeded in just 1 year, 6 months. But I just use the word 2 years because within this period, you are building a portfolio online. And before you know what is happening, you begin to excel. So never forget that making money online will not happen overnight. The third thing you've got to know about making money online is that most people, they've come to believe that it will happen from a place of comfort. I'm sorry to disappoint you. It will not happen from a place of comfort. If you think that you're just going to sit down comfortably somewhere and money will just pouring into your account, you've got to think again. This thing, there is work. Those initial years, you've got to go through some days of discomfort. You will go through some days of discomfort before anything will happen. So do not think that it will come to you from a place of comfort. That's a lie. That's a lie. And the fourth lie is that many people have come to believe about making money online is that they say it requires no responsibility. I mean, I just set it and I just go to the beach. While I'm at the beach, I'm making money. You've got to wake up and smell the coffee, because whatever you do in life requires responsibility from your end. I'm telling you, even if you are the son of a king, it will come to a time where you need to wake up and take responsibility. That's how it goes. That's the rule of the game. If you're going to make money online, you have to take responsibility. No one is going to do it for you. That's the funny thing. It's a journey that you have to work on alone. Of course, in the course of it, you have friends, you have collabos and all that. But then at the end of the day, you have to take responsibility and fulfill your own responsibility. Very important, very important, very important. Now, the next lie that many people have been made to believe is that they say money flows in bulk. And I came here to tell you that it's not the way they put it. It's not the way it seems. Of course, when you have put in the work, money will come to you. There is a way you will program your journey. You could earn on a daily basis. You will earn on a daily basis, but it's not like it's going to come pumping in like the way you think from day one. No, a lot of times the money begins to come after so many years of dedication, of work, of thinking, of sleepless nights. And then when those foundations has been laid, then the money begins to trickle in, every day, just the way you are expecting it. But it's not going to come in bulk from the very beginning. That's not going to happen. You get the point now? So that's one lie that many have been made to believe. The next lie, people say it costs nothing to set it up. Or rather, they say it doesn't cost money to set it up. From my own experience so far, I discovered that if you are truly going to start on a good note, without you having to labor, then to a great extent, some amount of money has to be put into place. I'm telling you, some amount of money has to be put into the business. For example, maybe you want to start an e-commerce business and you say, okay, I don't have the product, I just want to do affiliate. Now, even that affiliate, that affiliate marketing, you still need money to set up ads here and there, whatever it is you want to do. You say, okay, I just want to do YouTube videos. You still need money to buy some of the recording gears and all that. So at the end of the day, you see that it's not something that you just jump into without any money. At some point, you will need to throw in some money so that the business can be branded and it can, take off as expected. So that's something that you need to work on. The last lie that many people have come to believe, they say it doesn't require time. You just set it and leave it. But I'm here to disappoint you, because if there is anything that requires so much time, is online business. That's why you must think again. You need time for you to be able to actually succeed in this area. You need time. You need time. Make no mistakes about it. You need time. You need time to record videos. You need time to post the videos. You need time to edit the videos. You need time to upload your e-commerce product. You need time to promote these things. So in fact, time is one of your greatest assets when it comes to making money online. It's the truth. So don't believe this lie. Now, having said all this, am I saying that you shouldn't go ahead and start an online business? Of course, that's not the point. My point is, if you are going into online business, making money online, then you've got to prepare yourself. Prepare yourself for the worst, so that when the worst begins to take place, you will not be disappointed. There are many people who went in full of expectations, and at the end of the day, they discovered that what they were thinking, that is not how it is. This is one part where if you are going to succeed, you have to be patient. You have to be patient. And I want to say this: if you can, when you are going in for an online business, when you are starting an online business, you should have other sources of income as well. Do not quit your day job because you are starting an online business. You can only quit after your online business has taken off. You get the point now? So that's something that you should be mindful of. I just thought it wise to help somebody out there to understand the rudiments of making money online. It's not different from the traditional way of making money. The same way you require time, take responsibility, and all that in the traditional business, it is the same thing in the online business space. The only difference is that when you have put in the work up front, whatever work you have put in up front, it will now begin to pay off even in the years to come. That is why the online business is very important. So that'll be all for this video. I know that you've gotten value today. Now let me know what you think, and share with me what resonated with you in this video. Okay, so I would love to hear from you and interact with you in the comment section. Now, if you have not shared this video, share with your friends and families. Don't forget to like the video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so. Subscribe so that the next time I post a new video, you will be the first to receive that video. All right, I will see you in the next video. Until then, go ahead and click on the videos now showing on the screen. Some of those videos will help you a great deal in your financial work. I'll see you when I see you.